are Adventure Team of Agra! Yay!
Before I go ahead, let me open a fact before you guys. This group, Team Adventure, was founded accidentally when I and Harvijay sir went to a village called Kot, which is near to Tatpur, to attend a bike rally function. And we found a Shiva temple deep inside the village. Better to say, deep inside the jungle. Harvijay sir came upon the idea to make a group of like-minded people who live for adventure and travel. And it consists of course, Harvijay sir, a very known personality in Agra, who had given a lot to this city. His accomplishments can't be counted on fingers. And he is the most adventurous fellow here. Wait sir, a very lively man. Around him, one cannot get bored. He loves to travel and call himself as a Gumakkad baker. Siddiqui sir, who is the commander of Taj Royal Biker Club of Agra and very adventurous fellow and can overpass any difficult situation. And at last, myself, just a mango traveler. The purpose of this group is to explore the places which are not easily accessible. You know, the roads, less traveled kind of places. And hence there is adventure here. We have discovered few such places, and the first place I am going to take you is Patsal. It is somewhat 45 km from Agra, and there are two caves in this small village which took our attention. A very little information is there about them on internet. But before we go to the location, let me show you how we reached here. How this village looks like. It was 13th October around 5 am when we started our trip for Patsal. After leaving National Highway, we came to a single lane road where both sides was covered with farm and amazing landscape. I had never thought that such places exist near Agra. We reached to the heart of village and saw everybody there was wondering about our arrival. Kids and young ones there were quite excited to see us and took us to the exact location. A temple of Siddh Baba is there before we reach to the caves. It is built on a rocky hill. Even villagers don't know anything about it when the temple was built, etc. They just take care of it. Just behind the temple, there comes the location of first cave, which is called Sita Ki Rasoi.
I, on behalf of the Adventure Team of Agra, would like to tell you a few things. The objective of our team is to explore the surroundings of Agra. You will be surprised to know that not only just about 45 kilometers away from our city, about 5 kilometers away from Fatehpur Sikri, there are caves dating back to 3,500 years. And it is just next to the village Patsal. There were 40 caves. Fortunately enough, there only 2 exist. Rest have all been destroyed with age. We are here along with our team. The 2 caves that are surviving, one of them is right behind me, and that one is named Sita Ki Rasoi. It's a very popular location for the villagers here. Inside the cave you have paintings done during the Stone Age which depict farming and how agriculture was prosperous in this area. This is a fascinating point to come and have a look at. 3,500 years ago, and we are right here at Sita Ki Rasoi. From here, we go to the next location, the next cave, which is known as Nai Ki Gufa. Friends, let's go.
Let's go. It was a time to move to next location and kids kept their enthusiasm high and which made us cheerful too. And here's our lively Ved sir at his best.
This is in continuation of our journey into the Stone Age caves at village Patso. We just finished visiting Sita Ki Rasoi, and we are here now at Naiki Gufa. Now this Naiki Gufa, if you're sitting right in front of it, has got phenomenal art depiction. We do not know what it means. We've taken photographs, and this could be an amazing sight for people to come and have a look at.
And I would also add the people here are very cooperative and very hospitable.
Yes, we like to add one thing, that we've been told by the villagers that it was named Sita Ki Rasoi during their exile of 14 years. They traveled from Ayodhya and they stationed themselves here at village Patso. And that's where Sita Ji converted that place into her Rasoi, and hence it is known as Sita Ki Rasoi. Friends, let's go.
Let's go. After this, we left the village with all the love and stopped at the outskirts of it to have a breakfast.
And time to have our breakfast.
I hope you liked the video and someday you visit this location when come to Agra. In next episode, we'll take you to 3 more such locations. Until then, have a wonderful time.
And time to have our breakfast.
आलू की सब्जी है भाई। ओ भैया चार है भैया।
We are here in your village.
Yeah?
Yeah. We will remember you. God bless.
ये बड़ा पता है।